Greetings and salutations. What I have here in my formerly nicotine stained fingers is a package straight from the land of cheap shit for the Jeep. Came pre-damaged. These are flush mount lights for the bumpers. Put 2 in the front, 2 in the back. These are the cheapest options I could find. You and me, let's open these up and see what we have here and see how much of this is broken. Hopefully it's just hardware here rolling around here. So far, so good. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at that. You set these out here. Oh, it was hardware. These are probably the cheapest offering that I could find on Amazon.com. And I got to tell you, I'm not totally disappointed. I was fully expecting these to come plastic, and they're not. They're cast aluminum. They got 6 LEDs in them. Comes with some mounting hardware. A way to contact customer support. And look at that, installation notes. And instructions. Even with a wiring schematic for a relay. How handy is that? What do you think I paid for this 4-pack of lights? If you've been following this channel for any amount of time, you know I didn't spend a whole lot of money on that. But let's just say it was less than $30. Let's see where I'm going to put these. I figured I'd put one here, one over here. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to fit though. Probably not. Maybe I just put 2 on for right now, and I get some different lights for the spots, for like a light bar or something for the. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm definitely wanted to put a couple in the bottom there. I've even seen people put them right here. But I think in my case, I'm eventually going to have a tire carrier here. That kind of seems pointless to put it there. But hey, let me grab one of these batteries here and we'll see how bright they are. Can you even see me? God dang, lenses are so dickered. It's like you're looking through peanut butter. Yeah. That's just within the skateboard battery. Does it come with a template? It does not. So I shall make a template, and I'm not going to do it today, probably tomorrow. Before it gets too hot, I'll come out here and maybe put a couple holes in the bumper, at least figure out where I'm going to put them, and then start installing these Yeah, those are cast aluminum. Not bad. Plastic lens. For what I paid for them, I don't have real high expectations for them, but we'll see. We'll see. All right, I made a template, and now I'm going to go trace it onto the bumper. All right, I need to get a measurement here now. Okay. 5.5. Quarter. So I think this bumper's thick enough where I can drill and tap these mounting holes instead of, putting a nut behind the back. I think I'll do that. I'm going to tie these into the reverse lights, and I think what I'm probably going to do is use the reverse light, the factory reverse light. I'll tie into that and use that as a trigger for a relay. Where I'm going to mount that, I don't know. But I'll run power, the fused power from the battery back here, and the reverse light will be the trigger for the relay. So next thing I got to do is drill and tap those, cut these holes out, and then I'll mount those lights in. Yep. That's what I'm going to do. Yep. Right about now. Sure. Ugh. Okay, now that that's done, while I was installing those lights, I was thinking, I could probably build a harness. I think I got some weather pack connectors over here I bought way back. Never did anything with. Let me see here. Oh, what's that? God, I really need to clean this garage. Would you look at that? Perfect. So I'm gonna build a wiring harness. Let's see if I got relays. Don't know if I do. I don't think I do. No, it doesn't look like it. I'll have to go pick up a couple relays, or at least one relay. Yeah, the plan, she's coming together. So anyway, that'll be another day. So I'll see you later. Here's what I have acquired for this wiring job here. I got some 12 gauge 2-strand low voltage wire for 12 to 24 volts. course, I had these, and I'll use these on the lights themselves, so that if I ever have to service this, I can disconnect the light without cutting up the harness. I bought these. These are inline fuse holders. Turns out I didn't need them because I have one that's blank right now that I used a couple years ago for some electric fan testing that I did with junkyard fans. If you want to see that video, it's up there. But these are relatively cheap and plentiful. I got paid like $10 for this. I got 4 of them. And I probably don't have to run a relay, but I'm going to. I'm just going to run one relay for both these lights. These lights draw, I think, 4 amps. And I got these relays with the integral harness. And the nice thing about this is that if the relay ever goes bad, you can just unplug this, plug any Bosch type 5-pin relay, 30-40 amp relay into this. This one, yeah, it's 30 to 40 amp. Where are you? There. And yeah, you don't have to think about where the wires go. So I've run my wire, and my relay is zip tied to the tail light harness there. You can see the pigtail for it right there. And I've got the wire running along the chassis harness here. It runs up to the front of the vehicle. You can see it goes up through here. Goes up through there and in through there. And comes out that factory grommet. Here's that fuse holder that is hooked directly to the distribution block here. There we go. And this is 12 volts directly to the battery. And I'll hook this up to that harness, solder and shrink wrap, and then I'll come off of that. How am I going to come out through here? I think there's, yeah, there's a grommet right there. Can you see that? See that grommet down there? Right? Where is it? Where are you? Ooh, oh yeah, right there. I'll have to put a grommet in there now. That was just, there's a hole that goes through there, and that's where I'll feed the wire for the lights. And I'm going to pull these lights back out and solder these connectors in. That's what I'm going to do. So here's the connector that connects the main chassis harness to the tail light harness, and I'm probing for the reverse light here. In the case of the 98XJ, it'll be the black wire with the green stripe. I'll just splice into that. And that will be my trigger for the relay. Okay, so that's all in. I tested it and it works. And now I gotta wire in the lights. And for that, I'm gonna pull those out and solder those connectors on and then splice that in there. But I got everything nicely tucked away. According to my calculations, these draw 4 amps each. So that's 8 amps. I got a 15 amp fuse. That's probably wrong. And somebody down there in the comment section is gonna hammer me on it, but you know what? Now I get to pull the lights out and do all that. Yay. Okay. Well, I guess we'll see if the thing works. Three, two, one. There we go. There's some backup lights. All right, so there's my reverse lights. Now I got to tuck all these panels back in and find the screw holes and put all the screws back in and all that kind of stuff. If you're interested in any of this stuff, I'll put links down in the description where you can buy all this stuff on Amazon. And if you're not interested in any of the stuff that's down there, you know, you can use those links to do all the Amazon shopping you're going to do anyway. And that way, the channel earns a little bit of a commission. Throw me a couple of pennies. Every penny counts too. Let's look at what I got into this. I've got about 30 bucks into the lights. I got 4 of them. So I've got 2 extras when these go bad. And I got about 50 bucks into wire, relays, fuse holders, solder. Yeah, so all that stuff will be down there in the description. Now I'm just waiting for other parts. Waiting for other stuff to put on this. It's coming. It's coming. On the slow boat from the land of cheap shit. It'll be here soon, so stay tuned for that stuff. So if you like what you saw, you found it entertaining, informative, smash the like button, share it with your vast social media network. Comment down in the comment section if you think I'm an idiot. So if you haven't done so yet, consider subscribing and click the bell icon. That way YouTube will let you know next time I upload a video. Don't forget to comment. I know I mentioned it once, but it's so nice I had to say it twice. So until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep powder dry, have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.